Today, we're unleashing the floodgates on the DJI Neo 2 leaks, the palm-sized phenom that's been dripping from FCC filings, beta drops, and Chinese warehouse whispers since summer, now confirmed in that October 30th bombshell that left the world gasping. If you're a content creator dodging the bulk of minis, or a newbie eyeing holiday gifts without the $1,000 drone tax, you can't peel away now. These aren't stale forum fables, they're prototype pics, spec sheets from Drone XL and TechRadar, and insider scoops that spell game over for rivals like the HoverAir X1. Strap in for this 30-minute leak extravaganza, because by touchdown, you'll decode every upgraded pixel, weigh the US band shadows, and plot how this $249 steal reshapes your sky-high hustle. Let's palm launch into the frenzy and see why the Neo 2 is the drone DJI hid in plain sight. To fuel the fire, let's loop back on the legend it builds from. The original DJI Neo crash-landed in September 2024 as the anti-drone drone. 135 grams of pure pocket rocket, controller-free via app or gestures, 4K 30p video from a 1/1.3-inch sensor that turned shaky phone clips into pro reels, all for $199. Fly more fun. It flew off shelves at Best Buy, racked 4.5-star Amazon love for palm takeoffs and AI quickshots that auto-framed your golden retriever's zoom eyes or sunset jogs, and dodged regs as a sub-250G wonder. But whispers hit early 2025. DJI's Shanghai labs churning prototypes amid US security squabbles, with leaks from Drone Tribune and Notebook Check teasing a sequel that fixes the 18-minute flight gripe and cranks avoidance to omniscient levels. Fast forward to October's teaser blitz. Fly Your Way murals in Beijing, FCC ID2 APUD, Neo 2 filings in August, and blurry Weibo shots that lit Reddits are /DJI ablaze. The holdup? Chip tweaks for that rumored half-an-inch sensor and lidar brains, plus global rollout stumbles as America's NDA ban loomed like a storm cloud. Yet November's Japan campaign and eBay pre-sales scream availability. $280 drone only, $389 fly more. Positioning the Neo 2 as the compliant king for stateside skies. For you USA trailblazers from Rocky Mountain trails to Florida Keys, this could mean ban-proof bliss before December's axe falls. But the meat? That upgraded core that's got testers calling it Neo on steroids. Zero in on the optics, the leak that's got videographers drooling. A bumped half-an-inch CMOS sensor, up from the original's 1/1.3, guzzling light for 4K at 60 frames per second now, with 10-bit color depth and RockSteady 2.0 EIS that erases jitters like they never happened. Why the hype? Beta footage from Secchiato tests shows dynamic range hitting 12 stops, nailing high-contrast beach dawns without blown skies or muddy shadows, and low-light chops that capture crisp city nights at ISO 6400 without the noise soup. Leaks peg HDR quickshots with auto-exposure bracketing, turning your palm-launched pans into TikTok gold that edits itself in the DJI Mimo app. Storage? A whopping 49 gigabytes internal. No microSD fumbles. Swallowing 90 minutes of 4K before you blink, with quick transfer beaming to your iPhone in 10 seconds flat. And the lens? Ultra-wide 117-degree FOV, but with digital zoom to 2x lossless, letting you frame tight portraits mid-flight without repositioning. For USA creators battling variable light from Seattle drizzles to Arizona scorchers, this means footage that rivals the Osmo Pocket 3 but untethered, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal whisper that syncs with your phone's gyro for impossible angles. It's not shooting, it's sorcery, and leaks confirm the AI director mode that suggests shots based on your vibe like epic hike reveal, auto-pulling cinematic intros. Propulsion and smarts? Here's where the Neo 2 allegedly